Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all methods how you can switch off your Redmi A7 Pro. We can actually find three methods. The first one, you can do this by using the power button. So when you click and hold the power button like this, you will get this power off menu. So you have to swipe up, release, and your device will turn off. But if you don't have this power off menu here, you will have to go for the settings for the first. Now go to the additional settings, and right now we will have to go for accessibility. Now, we have to go for gesture shortcuts and go for launch digital assistant, turn it off, then go back and go for power off and select press and hold the power button. Now it's gonna work. But the default option is to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and release like this. So there's the second method. And the last method that you can also use, so we have to go for accessibility. Now get the accessibility menu, and we have to get this location, so navigation bar, or for example floating. It doesn't actually matter where you want to get it. And now go for this accessibility menu, turn it on, scroll to allow, click that you got it, click here, and now we can turn it off even without using those buttons. Thank you so much for watching.